When you're traveling and you realize you forgot to pack something in your toiletry bag, your stomach drops. Especially if it's something important like your glasses or deodorant. Forgetting stuff sucks, so avoid it with today's tip. Pack your toiletry bag the night before your trip and use it to get ready in the morning. This way, you know right away if you're missing something and still have time to add it before you leave. Saving you a lot of frustration, time, and money if you had to find a store and pay to replace those items, if they even are replaceable while on your trip. And if you're looking for a good toiletry bag for travel so that you can do this tip, then see the links in this video's description for my favorites. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's Travel Tip Tuesday's tip. Please click the like and subscribe buttons now if you did, and I will see you next Tuesday. Happy trails.